In this video, you'll learn how to use voice typing on your Google Pixel 6. This feature allows you to convert your spoken words into text, making it easier to communicate quickly and efficiently. To begin, unlock your Pixel 6 and navigate to the Settings app. You can find this app in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in Settings, scroll down and select System. From there, locate and tap on Languages and Input. This section contains various input options for your device. Next, tap on-screen keyboard. Here, you will see a list of available keyboards. Select your keyboard, which is typically board. Once you have selected Gboard, look for the option labeled Voice Typing. Tap on it to enable this feature. It is essential to ensure that microphone permissions are granted at this stage. This step prepares your Pixel 6 to accept voice input without any interruptions. Now that voice typing is enabled, open any application where you can input text, such as messages or notes. Tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. You will notice a microphone icon on the keyboard. Tap this microphone icon to initiate voice typing. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, as your words will be converted into text automatically. This feature allows for a more efficient typing experience. Once you have finished speaking, take a moment to review the text generated by voice typing. It's important to check for any inaccuracies or errors. If corrections are required, you can use the keyboard to edit the text. Additionally, if you need to add punctuation, do so manually, as voice typing may not always capture it correctly. After making the necessary adjustments, you can either send or save the text as needed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.